Alright, this got installed yesterday, and I have kind of mixed opinions about it. It's one of those fancy new LED streetlight things. It's a 50 watt focus, 50 watt, 3000 kelvins type 3 optics. They do make 2700 Kelvin versions of these, which I kind of wish they would have installed one, but it's okay how it is. So anyways, let's go over the outside components. There is the attachment to the pole. It's just a standard like 2-inch pole or something, and up here we have the diffraction, like, or refractor, like, with, I think it's actual glass with, there are the LEDs in there. They're 16 SMD LEDs, I think, looking at the spec sheet, and there's obviously a photo cell up here. Can you see that? And it's just a standard twist lock photo cell with an enclosure. And so what they do is they take off part of the there's a little plastic piece on the top there. And what they do is they take it off, they install the photo cell, twist it, and they put it back on. This is a 3000K street light, so it's warm-ish white. It's sort of like the light bulbs that we have installed in our house. And there's a sticker that says 22, and like, this is a Duke Energy thing purely. I haven't seen it anywhere else where they put a sticker on the fixtures and on the transformers as well, saying like the exact year it was serviced or not, because this was installed in 2023 and it has a 2022 sticker on it. And the old one, like, you put a new lamp in it, it wouldn't work, and then there was a big bang, and some sparks came out, and I got to see it happen. Took the guy by surprise. Well, so they do, so that old one had an electrical problem, but they do relamp. They still do relamp. Duke Energy still do relamp certain HID fixtures, and yeah, because I reported one at the top of the street and it got fixed with a new lamp. So the old one probably had some electrical problem. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.